Tangerine versus Simplii. Which platform is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which platform is better among Tangerine and Simplii. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Tangerine. Tangerine offers a competitive cashback credit card with customizable categories for rewards. Provides a comprehensive suite of banking services, including savings accounts, checking accounts, mortgages, loans, and investment options. Tangerine offers interest on checking accounts, allowing users to earn on their everyday funds. Tangerine offers no fee accounts, ensuring that you save on banking fees. Tangerine customers have access to Scotiabank atoms across Canada, providing convenient access to cash. Somehow, some Tangerine accounts require a minimum balance to avoid fees, which might be a drawback for some users. While competitive, Tangerine's interest rates on savings accounts are not always the highest in the market. Some users report slower response times and less personalized service compared to other banks. Now, let's move on to Simplii. Simplii offers no fee banking as well, which is appealing for cost conscious customers. The platform provides competitive interest rates on savings accounts, often higher than traditional banks. Simplii has a straightforward and user friendly mobile app that simplifies banking tasks. It offers a variety of financial products, including mortgages and personal loans. Simplii also features 24/7 customer support, ensuring assistance is always available. But there are some downsides like Simplii lacks in person branches, which might be a drawback for those who prefer face to face banking. Investment options are more limited compared to full service banks. The rewards program is not as robust as some other financial institutions. Choosing between Tangerine and Simplii in 2024 depends on your banking habits and what features you value most. Tangerine is a great choice if you're looking for a user friendly platform with solid investment options and good customer service. Simplii, on the other hand, offers competitive interest rates and straightforward banking, making it ideal for those who prioritize simplicity and cost savings. Consider your financial needs and preferences to decide which platform aligns best with your goals. That's all for this video.